This is a final video to fix the Xbox app error 0x87e00005 on Windows 11. And if you've been struggling with it, you know how frustrating it can be when your games won't launch. This error usually happens because the Xbox app or your Microsoft account isn't syncing correctly, or sometimes Windows updates create small conflicts that block the app. You might have seen other videos on YouTube or guides on social media that make it look complicated with long steps and confusing settings. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret trick that makes fixing it super easy and quick. All you need is a few clicks to reset the app and refresh your account connection. And it usually works instantly without messing with advanced settings. If you want, comment below and I'll create a full step-by-step tutorial to make sure your Xbox app runs perfectly again on Windows 11.